Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Sunday, December 22nd at 7:56 in the morning, and it is 27 degrees and clear. So today we are going to be working on a new project. I'm going to be creating a coloring book for children, between 30 and 40 pages that we are going to self-publish on Amazon. We're going to try. So each day I'll do a new drawing, hopefully daily. Life occurs and things happen, but I'll be doing different various barnyard animals. So today is a pig in a barnyard, and I've got my coffee and a drawing. So I apologize in advance for the flicker. My boom, which you can't see, but over here, I got moved around somehow, and with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, that's what I use to record my videos. It does matter on how high that it's setting. So hopefully I've got that corrected from here on out, and we'll keep moving. So on this one, I just went off the cuff and just drew the picture. I'm going to be using a little format, a little different. I'm going to sketch it out. My next picture will be a chicken in a barnyard, and that's what I'll be working on for my next one, besides my Christmas one I'm going to do. So the drawing came out pretty good. I think it's good quality enough for a coloring book. Now I do know my edges are not quite right. I am going to scan it and format it down a little bit in size so that it'll fit on a page. But all in all, not bad. So follow along with me, and we will get this going and see if we can't make a book. Have a great Sunday, and here's my final product for the day.